But we got it working pretty good now. Demagnetizer, that is. There's the gold. Let me turn the water up a little on some of these. It'll take about 15-20 minutes to do that much concentrate there. Still a little while, but it'll quit dripping on us. There we go. And the demagnetizer is working. Look at that. That's most black sand you've seen go across that in this video. Little robotics motor. Got our gear reduction to it. So yeah, we'll run our 30. We'll run a little already. So once we get it all done, I'll come back. Alright, here we are, did our 30 mesh. Took about 35-40 minutes. That's in there. That was the dirt that came with it. Pretty clean though. We run it a second time, which I'm gonna do. Get it real clean. And here we are getting to the end of the 100 mesh. You can see, I don't know why, but the track cleans out last, and that's when the excitement really happens. So that's 100 mesh and smaller gold. Our bottle's almost empty. We've been at it. No, it is empty. So we've been at it for about 35 minutes, and I got a little bit more to run that I couldn't fit in the bottle. So we will be back. Come down here to the end of the table. That's where all the gold is. Come down here. Yeah, really nothing down here. So I don't want these here getting away. But yeah, I'd be happy to send anybody this gold. They'll find gold at this runoff here, whatever you want to call it, my leftovers, and run it and see what they come up with. You know, there's gold in it from firing up the table and getting it tuned in. You lose some there, but once you get it going, don't lose much at all. It's a little dirty, so that's because I know I'm going to just send this to somebody and hopefully they'll give me an honest answer on what they find, you know. So we'll be back, show you this in pan. Well, I've been out here a grand total of probably about 3 hours on both these two sizes. This is my 100 mesh and smaller gold. Alright, here's what I got so far. That's my 50 mesh and my black rib clean out. That's weighs 1.5 grams. When you fill that full of water and this one full of water, I don't know how close that, how accurate that is, but well, it's tiny. The only reason any of it looks big is because it's clumped together. A whole bunch of pieces. So that's all my 100 mesh. We're going to clean that up one more time on the table, as well as the 30, and then put it in that vial and see what we got. A couple $100 for some digging. Now I didn't get it all, but say I got most of it on the table. You know, I think if you classify all the sizes, it gets 98% of it. Get to 100 mesh, you start missing a little bit more of it. But 2 times on it sure works. Got that working. So here, as soon as we get a little money together or get rid of one of these things, I'll finish that stand for the feeder. That's the only thing holding me up is cash, funds. It's all gone. So we'll see you next time. So we are cleaning it up one last time on the table. Getting a little bit more of that dirt out of there. I can take it down there and get better money. That's a 30 mesh and 100 mesh running together. Got one little piece down here. The same one I had problems with earlier. I remember the shape. It's kind of like a nugget looking. We'll get him though. So we'll be back and show you the rest of the gold that we get out of this clean out. Alright, here we go. It's in a plastic bottle. Got my gold. Fairly clean. It's only about 2% of trash in there. Here we are at the golden detectors. We just got a check for 2.9 grams of gold at 145.88. So there you go. That's the end of our video. Congratulations on 40 hours of hard work.